time of cave dwellers to modern-day house dwellers, humans have always wanted to tell their stories. This book right here, The Story of Our Life Based on a True Life, is a story unlike anything you've ever read before. We have the author, Bubba, his ex, Mark Twain, with us here on Studio 10 to tell us all about it. Good morning to you, Bubba.
Good morning to you.
And you say you can't judge a book by a cover, or can you?
You can, and this particular book is for this reason, is throughout history, all humans have seen this sight. And when they look up there, they like to put on their caves.
How about I'll move those along for you, one by one. Yep.
They want to put on their
Did you want to go this way?
Yes.
There you go.
And so Albert Einstein said that E equals mc squared, and what he was saying is that if you remove the constant speed of light, you have a static equation that says that energy is equal to mass, and you have this equation here where two masses are colliding, creating this configuration, and that this is, and then pi is 3. But anyway, you go to the caves in North Brazil, and you have concentric circles and a star with a circle in the middle of it, which is the same as what they saw of the sun.
Okay.
And this is 10,000 years ago. This is in North Georgia, the same star with the circle and the same concentric circles. This is what they saw 6,000 years after the other Indians. If you enlarge the star, you can see the circle in the middle and the 6-pointed star. And
so just to set the stage here for the audience, is your general thesis here is that Einstein's theory is flawed?
No, it's proving his theory.
Proving his theory, okay.
Proving his theory, because up till now, it's been theory.
It's been theory.
And he died trying to prove what I'm showing here, that cavemen have known, and everyone since then has known, that basically what this is the first dimension in positive infinity. And you'll see later on why that is.
Okay.
But as you can see, it's always the 4 circles, the clove in the middle. Mm-hmm. And as you can see, when you impose this, the cave person was almost dead on mathematically. Nikola Tesla had a patent. Same thing.
Okay.
And this is a extended planar view of basic cell matrix. I don't even know what that means, except he drew it.
Right, okay.
And so whatever the words are, so he had a patent on that.
All right.
And this is what it is. I searched, and what that is the octagon. That's one cell in that group of cells.
Right. So if you look to the skies, and if you're looking at all these things, they show this pattern, and you can see this pattern portrayed over time. Yep.
Exactly. And this is also Nikola Tesla. This is, again, the same thing as it was on the cave. Mm-hmm. But this is the mathematical. This is the map of two multiplications. So he multiplied numbers and came up with this configuration.
Gotcha.
So that's showing that the math matches.
The math matches the pattern.
Matches the pattern. And then this is something that I can't work through. And so this is 2 pi, and that configuration is 2 pi And so these 2 pi's, which is 3, equals this 1 pi. And they've always known, mathematicians have always known that positive infinity, which means a circle that goes in a clockwise direction, minus a negative infinity, which goes in the counterclockwise position, equals pi, which is 3 again.
So with this book here, if the audience picks up a copy of your book here, what will they say in this book? Is it basically what we're showing them here, or what else?
Basically what I'm showing here, and I have a corresponding video.
Okay.
That puts it in three-dimensional.
And the video is 6 minutes long, is that correct?
6 minutes and 37 seconds.
All right, so it has further explanation of what's going on. What is your hope for proving this theory according to your research? What do you want to transpire from this?
I would like the physics community to look at this. I've sent it to 7 million people. Not one physicist would comment saying you're right or you're wrong. But I would hope that the physics community will take a look at this.
Well, absolutely fascinating to take a look at the story of our life. Your book here, I know you brought some models as well. We're not going to have time to get to those today, but perhaps we can explain in a future segment. It looks like you got one more thing you want to show us.
I just want to show you. This is the Milky Way.
Yeah.
This is the sun, and that shows you how the sun's moving through that same pattern. And Einstein said, the human mind cannot conceive of the 4 dimensions. There it is.
4 dimensions right in front of our eyes here. So if you want to delve deeper into this research, if you want to learn more from what Bubba, his Mark Twain, is talking about, you can pick up your copy of this book. We'll also have a link on our website to the video so you can go check that out and learn more for yourself. Well, thank you so much for coming in and sharing your time and your research with us.
All right,
we appreciate it.
Thank you.